Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through adding a new user or clinician in HomeHealth Soft and user permissions. After logging in, go to the Users in the menu bar and click Add User. Complete the required fields in demographics and select the appropriate role and discipline. In Other Settings section, select the employee type and payment type. Remember that you will be able to change this information in the future. Click the checkbox Send Login Invitation. The new user credentials will be sent to their email. Please remind them to check their spam folder if they can't find the HomeHealth Soft welcome email in their inbox. Then click Save Changes to finalize. A confirmation message will indicate that the user has been successfully added, allowing them to document notes, schedule appointments, and manage payroll submissions.
After adding a clinician user, you can update their permissions by selecting the desired user and navigating to the Permissions tab. Here, you'll see a list of all available user permissions, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Remember that training videos are always available in the menu bar under User Guide. If you have any questions or need assistance, please submit a heat ticket under the menu. We're happy to help.